Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of Google Meet. You will click on Settings. Here we go to Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. And above you search about Google Meet. Here we go to First Stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here you will click on Clear Cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and think of your watch.